In this short presentation, I want to outline for you what it means to be studying maths at Wilmington Grammar School for Boys. As much as it isn't an option, I do really think it's important that you understand what you can expect from it, what we expect of you, and also how it can lead to future careers. I thought it best to start off with some answers to some frequently asked questions. So first of all, you would be studying the higher GCSE AQA specification. The course is taught over 3 years from when you come in year 9 to year 11, and you will be taught in mixed ability classes. As you will be studying the higher specification, you can achieve anything from a grade 4 up to a grade 9. You can see that roughly half the marks in an exam are targeted at grades 4, 5 and 6, which roughly equates up to around a B grade. Half of the marks are targeted at grades 7, 8 and 9, which again you can roughly see translates to an old A and A star. The Maths department at WGSB have had fantastic results over the last few years. We have had 100% grades 4 to 9, and also for the last few years we have had more than 70% of students achieve a grade 7, 8 or 9. Maths is a foundation for studying most subjects at A level or beyond. Maths is now double weighted, and what that means is if you achieved a grade 8 for instance, you would have 16 points that counts towards your attainment 8 score, which would help you get into sixth form or college. To study maths at A level in WG6, you would need a minimum of a grade 7, but an 8 or a 9 would really give you a good advantage. To come back into WG6, you will need a minimum of a grade 5 in maths. As you can see from the table, the content of the GCSE can be split up into 5 parts. Number, probability and statistics make up 15% each. Ratio and proportion and geometry make up 20% each, whilst algebra makes up the most part with 30%. As you would have done lower down in the school, you will complete regular in-class topic tests and larger assessments at the end of big terms that will comprise many topics. The actual GCSE exam is made up of 3 1.5-hour papers, each out of 80 marks. There is 1 non-calculator paper and 2 calculator papers, which will give you a total out of 240 marks. There is a mix of question styles, from short single mark questions, some multiple choice, to longer multi-step problems, and the mathematical demand increases throughout the paper. Every one of you can be successful at studying GCSE maths, but it is down to you. Some tips are to learn key formulae, which you will have on your knowledge organisers, to listen and practice the methods taught by your teacher, showing working out just as they do. You'll need to be independent. You'll need to complete regular practice of topics covered using MathsWatch or other resources. You need to be patient and resilient, because if you don't understand something straight away, look at examples and try the question before asking for help. You need to complete all homework to your best standard, including evidence of my improvement homework. You need to practice exam questions that relate to the topic you're studying. And finally, don't leave revision to the last minute. It does come down to practice, practice and practice. Studying maths at GCSE will improve you in so many ways, and you will develop so many transferable skills that will be applicable to any subject that you study beyond your GCSE. Some of them include critical thinking. You'll become better problem solvers. You'll be able to analyse information and reason. You'll have the ability to manipulate precise and intricate ideas and construct logical arguments. You will develop your communication skills and your time management skills. You'll learn to work better in a team. You'll learn to become more independent, and you will certainly become more creative in trying to use different methods to work out an answer. There are so many branches of maths that can lead to an endless amount of possibilities for future careers, but studying GCSE maths and getting a good grade is the foundation for all of them. From cooking to carpentry, you will need maths. Some of the more obvious careers are shown, such as accountancy, doctor, engineer, investment manager, banking, and the list goes on. Some of you might not think that you would need maths to become a lawyer, but again, the ability to reason and construct a logical argument will really help into a career in law. There is an endless amount of possibilities.